Well done, well done. Hey. Well done, good and faithful servant. As I'm driven to the church, what would they say of my life? Was I glory to my family? Did I honor my wife? As a child, was I a burden to my mom? I was raised to give thanks to the Father, Holy Ghost, and Son. I want to hear my judge say to me, well done, good and faithful, come unto me. Well done, good and faithful. Well done. Hey. Well done, good and faithful. Well done. Well done, good and faithful. Well done. Well done. Straight is the gate and narrow is the way that leadeth unto life, and so few go this way. Beware false prophets that come to you and say, I cast out Satan and give thee thanks and praise. But a good tree cannot bear evil fruit, for if them do, them cut down at the root. I want to hear my Jaja say to me, well done, good and faithful, come unto me. Well done, good and faithful. Well done. 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 Well done. Verily, verily, I say unto you, thou art a wise king, faithful over few. For if you don't believe, my judge, I loved you. Read Matthew 25 and 22.